Hello, my beautiful people, my beautiful family. You're welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to use a soldering iron for our hot work. First of all, this is the soldering iron. I hope we're seeing it. It's plugged, and this is the stand. This one is plugged already. In using this soldering iron, when it's plugged like this, don't use your hand to test it. This thing is very, very extremely hot. If you want to test it to know if it's hot, you use your piece of fabric. Can we see? Immediately I touch it, see the mark that it gives me. See the hole that it pierces my fabric immediately. Imagine you using this thing, your hand, to test it. And it has a stand. Don't just put it on your table. Like this, my table that has a form, is being padded. Don't just drop it on your table like that. It has a stand. It comes with a stand. So if you are buying your own and there's no stand, check it very well. And it has 5 different mouths. So you decide which one you want to use for which design. So you plug your soldering iron and allow it to get hot. Then the fabric you want to use for the design, you go ahead and pad it and design whatever you want. Let me quickly design something like a flower. Go ahead and design anything of your choice, just like I've done here. Then the next thing that you do is for you to take it to your sewing machine and follow that design. Follow your design, stitch on that your design. After you must have stitched it. For instance, I've stitched mine. Let's say I've stitched it. You go ahead and pick your soldering iron. Don't use this form to do it. Use a hard surface. I'll go ahead and use a hard surface. I cannot use this form to cut my things out. If not, it will melt the form. So I'll go ahead and use a hard surface. You can increase the heat. The first time I bought it, I didn't know, so I was struggling with it. And just this button that we're seeing here, it has numbers. It has numbers. So mine was on 450. That is the highest. When I bought it at first, it was at 200. I didn't know that I'm supposed to increase it to my desired number. So I was struggling with it. It was not that hot until I turned it to 450. It was extremely hot and my work was so easy. So you go ahead. Let me take it back to 450. 450 is the highest. Then you go ahead and remove whatever design you want to remove. When it's hot like that, your work will be very neat. But if you leave it at that 200, your work will be rough. When you take this cutwork to the market for them to do it for you, they will collect 30,000. I was being duped or cheated. But they told me 30,000. Even though I charged my client, I told my client 25,000 to do it. End up paying 30K. Because when I went to collect it, somebody now told me that I can go ahead and do it myself. Then she showed me where to get the iron. And I went there and got it. So when you finish, don't just drop your iron anyhow. Drop it where on the stand. It has a stand. Leave it on the stand. Now we see some of them are out already. Then you go ahead, see how they are coming out freely. Anyone that is hard, you leave it, you take it back and use your iron to remove it. See how freely they are coming. Some of them even came out on their own. But some, the ones that are not coming out, you can take it back and remove it and recut it. So let me. So I've cut this one out. Can we see what we're having here? Can we see? When you turn it on the other side, this is what you'll be having. Imagine you doing this design on your outfit and embellish it with your stones. It will be so catching. Then after that, this paper will not be there. You have to remove the paper. But before you do it, make sure you use organza before putting the paper, so that the organza will help you, especially if your material is something like velvet or your material is weak. You have to put organza so that when you remove the gum stay, that organza will still make it to be strong. So this is what we'll be having. We see how beautiful this is looking. And this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this will be of help to someone out there. God bless you. God bless us. God bless Nigeria. God bless our nations. Wherever you're watching me from, God bless your nation. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. If there's any question, please drop it on the comment section and I will attend to it immediately. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.